Welcome to Two Way Direct, your number one two-way radio dealer in the US. We not only offer all major brand products, but we do so at the lowest prices guaranteed. When discussing communications for your business, two options may come to mind: cell phones and two-way radios. Both forms of communicating offer long-range options as well as quick connectivity. So which one is best? For construction and manufacturing industries, something durable with instant communication is ideal. Two-way radios would be preferable over cell phones, and these are the reasons why. Instant communication. With two-way radios, message send and receive occurs instantaneously with the simple click of a button. No need to type in a phone number and wait for the receiver to pick up or respond. Utilize separate channels for different groups of people and connect with either one person or a whole group at once. Independent from cellular networks. Many two-way radio options operate independently from cellular networks. While there are push-to-talk over cellular options for instant nationwide coverage, most models operate on their own without the worry of losing connection. Repeaters are available for systems where coverage needs to be boosted in order to communicate longer distances. Durability. While cell phone covers protect these devices, they're still limited in their durability. Two-way radios are specifically designed to military standards with IP ratings to ensure different levels of resistance to events such as water immersion and drops. Battery life. Cell phone batteries and two-way radio batteries vary greatly in their operation life. Cell batteries last on average for about 10 hours. However, two-way radios can last from 14 to 22 hours when charged fully. It is important to preserve the life of your battery by powering down your radio and waiting for the fully charged notification. For more information on why two-way radios are a better option than cell phones for business operations, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you.